What is up? Today, I'm gonna make breakfast sandwiches in the Ninja Foodi. I've actually been making this breakfast sandwich for a long time. It's something that my father taught me how to make. Growing up, he used to call it the McGolder. It's a very basic sandwich. It is toast, bacon, cheese, eggs, mayonnaise. I have a video where I make bacon in the Ninja Foodi, but because I'm doing it all again today, might as well just throw it all in one video anyways. As a quick recap, I like to space my bacon out. This is 1 pound's worth of bacon. I like to space it out a little bit. Air crisp. 330. Time, I'm gonna set it for 30 minutes, but I'll be checking on it. Now this isn't done entirely in the Ninja Foodi because I have to toast my bread. So for that I use a toaster oven. I have not gotten the Ninja Foodi toaster oven yet. Right now this toaster oven works just fine, and I really do want the Ninja Foodi toaster oven though. Maybe someday. But that being said, the only thing that I'm not using for the Ninja Foodi for in this particular recipe is making the toast. Toasting the bread is done, and I've already put the mayonnaise on the bread and the cheese. I don't really think there's too much instruction that kind of goes with that, but if you need it, here it is. So I'm making 2 sandwiches. I put mayonnaise on both sides and cheese. Like I said, not that complicated. Sometimes people need a little instruction. I've learned that from making some of these videos. I get hit up sometimes with some really random questions, like when I'm boiling water. What temperature? What was that question again? Do you use medium high or high heat? I don't know. Like, I just bring the water to a boil, I guess. Didn't know there was a difference. Bread is ready. I got the 2 eggs out. One for me, one for my son. As some of you may know him as Minion. And then I'll show you how to make the eggs. Fried eggs in the Ninja Foodi. Bacon appears to be done, and there's 3 minutes and 59 seconds left. So I think I put it in for 30, so what is that, 26 minutes and 1 second. One of the reasons that I like to use this particular rack, the reversible rack, when I'm cooking my bacon is it allows the bacon fat to kind of just drip straight down the bacon, and it kind of collects in the bottom of the pot. And I save my bacon fat for cooking, so this particular method makes it really easy. The instruction booklet for the Foodi tells you to use the cook and crisp basket. I've done it, it worked, just wasn't the biggest fan of how the bacon fat kind of collected in the bottom of the pot. It seems like it would do the same thing, but it just felt like it was different. I don't know. Personal preference, if you want to use the crisp basket, by all means, use the crisp basket. Bacon's bacon, baby. I like to break the bacon into little tiny pieces instead of having strips. Kind of makes it easier to eat, so that way when you bite into a piece, it doesn't pull out and yank the whole piece of bacon out with it. For the fried egg portion, you're going to use the sear saute method, and I like to do mine at a medium-high heat. Now I left some of the bacon remnants in here. So I got some of the bacon fat left over from the bacon. I didn't pour it all into the jar. Turn it on, put it to sear saute, change the temperature to medium-high, and fire it up. Once the oil gets hot, you'll know it starts kind of like crackling a little bit. Once that gets hot, that's when I put the eggs in. Eggs do not take long to cook, minutes at most. Depending, I guess, how hard you want your eggs. For sandwiches, I like mine to be a little closer to the over medium to over hard. So I cook them a little bit longer. I like to put my eggs in a bowl first. Reason being is I don't like cracking my egg directly into what I'm cooking into, because if there's a shell, it makes it really hard to get that shell out, especially if your pan's hot, your pot's hot, whatever the case is. I like to prep my food first before putting it into what I'm cooking. The oil's getting kind of hot. You can kind of hear it crackling, so I guess it's ready. I'm gonna put these eggs in here. I use this mini spatula when I when I'm doing my cooking in the Foodi. It's easy to move around and it fits nicely. Usually after I flip the eggs, I shut the Foodi off. So that way the remainder heat will cook it. This wouldn't be a typical Jason video if I didn't test the product. Look at that. Oh, egg, bacon. Ooh, yeah. That is a delicious breakfast sandwich. If you like the video, click like. If you'd like to see when I load more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like to be notified whenever I upload a video, hit the little bell next to the subscribe button. I hope you all have a safe, wonderful, and blessed day.